anyways, down and dirty here. You screwed up. You put your baskety thing in. You put your other thingy thing in, and you went to, no, it's not like that. Well, you put it in like that, and you got it all set up and everything, and you set your timer and everything else, but you forgot to put the damn pot back in there. You forgot to put the pot in. So anyways, now it doesn't work like it used to, does it? It still makes coffee, but it makes a lot of noise and gurgles and steams and makes all kinds of noise. It takes about an hour to brew a pot. I'm going to show you how to fix that right here now, down and dirty and quick. Okay? You're going to go up to the top right here. You got 4 screws. Get your Philippini Phillips screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bada bang. Little worky work. There's a couple little tabs here on the back. Right there. And right there. You might have to push those in. Anyways, pull this puppy off right here. Okay, I already did part of this, so I cheated just so you could see this. Anyways, here's the deal. You got these little hosey clamp things. These stupid little bastards right here. Okay, and you got to go after them with something that's going to get a hold of it. And you need maybe some of one of these. If you ain't got any of these, well, I don't know what to tell you. You got to have some of these. Anyways, you're going to take this guy off here first. Don't worry about this guy. I loosened him, but he didn't need to come loose. So we're going to loosen the one that was on here, which I just showed you. And it shouldn't take a whole lot. And we're just going to back that up. With the other hand, it works better. Okay. So I just pulled that out of there. It's no big deal. Like I said, you don't need to loosen this one. I did just to see which one was going to come first. Bada bing. Alright, so anyways, there's another one down in here. I don't know if you can see it, but his butt's way down in there, okay? So you got to get a hold of him with something. And like I said, these work pretty good. Okay, so you get him up. Might have to work him a little bit, give him a little twisty twist. You know, turn him a little bit until he gets loose and he comes out. Just a gizmo here. It's got a hole in it. You might find some schmutz in there. That little rubber stopper. That'll just come out. Clean whatever you find in there. But I tell you what, here's your booger right here. Let's see if we can get to this. Let's see the camera. I apologize, but it's down here. See where that ring is? Yeah, we can't get any. Hold on. Hold on, I got an idea. You got one of these? These things rock. I tell you what, these are the brightest sons of bitches. You look at this wrong, it'll just cook your eyes right out of your head. Love them. They got magnets and stuff on them. You can always find something that'll stick to something. See if we can get a better shot. There we go. There we go. I'm a YouTube video photographer. See that right there? Let's see if I can do this. It's going to be tricky. Right there. Yeah, that's where we're looking right there. It's all full of coffee beans and shit. But your water won't flow through. And the water doesn't go through fast enough. Just enough gets through and it just boils and boils and bubbles and boils off before doing what it's supposed to do. Anyways, get in there, clean that puppy out, and put it all back together. Be good as new. Okay? Love ya. Bye-bye.